guys, this is Jordan from Tacoma Lifestyle. Going to be doing a quick rig walk around with my 2014 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. So start off with lighting. Down here we got the Diode Dynamics SS3 fog lights for the Tacoma. Super great weather, rain, snow. It emits this nice yellow light so I can see everything while I'm driving. Next up for headlights, we got the Alpharex Lux series for the 2014 Tacoma. These have been awesome. Really have upped my light output from the stock headlights. Have had no complaints and they look sweet with the sequential and the DRL. For the light bar, I'm running a 40-inch Cali raised amber light bar. Similar with the fog lights, just emits a nice amber light for any inclement weather. It just is a lot easier on the eye so you can see a lot more of the road. Cool, so we got the TRD Pro Grille up front with the Raptor lights. Gives the truck a real aggressive look. It kind of sets it apart from a stock Tacoma. And then up top, we got Cascade 4x4 solar panel. Have it hooked up to the battery, that way it's just topping off the battery just as a trickle charger. I really love this mod. I don't have to worry about my car starting in the morning. And then we did a nice little wrap on top. That way we're not sticking the solar panel straight to the paint. Cool, so for wheels, tires, and suspension, we're running a Nitto Ridge Grappler, a 285/75/16. And then for wheels, we got black Rhino chambers, 16 inches with a -10 offset. And then for suspension, we got the Bilstien 5100s in the rear and 6112s up front. They give it a 2-inch lift so I can fit those tires. We did the cab mount chop with the Total Chaos chop plates. Just welded those on, is giving me the clearance to run these tires off-road with full articulation and everything. So those have been great. Yeah, really nice setup. I've really enjoyed it so far. So up top, we got the Prinsu Cab Rack for the Tacoma, as well as the top rack for the topper that I have on. We did throw on the Tacoma Lifestyle Windshield banner as well. Kind of blacks out the windshield, gives it a cool look. And then up top, we got inspired Overland rooftop tent, which has been awesome. Prinsu roof racks have been great. Haven't had any issues holding any weight, anything like that, and they give the truck a really mean and aggressive look. So moving to the back of the truck, we did upgrade to the Durobumps 4.25 inch bump stops on the rear. We're having an issue with the bigger tires of under full articulation. They would rub this fender flare right here. So with those bump stops, that's completely eliminated that, and it's also smoothed out the ride when we are going quickly through the desert. So those have been awesome. On the top of the truck bed here, we got a Lear camper shell. When I got the truck, I knew I wanted a Lear shell just because you're able to run a tent on top and it opens up a lot of storage space in the back as well. So I'm not having to compromise by running a tent down here. And so that's been great for doing these long trips. I can stock up all the gear I need. I don't have to worry about running out of supplies ever. So we did upgrade the taillights to the Alpharex Lux series taillights with the Alpha Black. Give the truck a match look with the headlights with the blacked out scheme, and I absolutely love them. The second Tacoma comes with some really crummy license plate lights, so we upgraded those to the Morimoto license plate lights for the second gen Tacoma. Those have been awesome. And then we threw on a couple of Tacoma Lifestyle decals just on the corner panels of the truck and on the rear window. Well, thanks guys for checking out my second gen Tacoma. If you want to see any updates on this build or any other cool things we do in the future, go ahead and follow my Instagram and Tacoma and Foreigner Lifestyle. Thanks guys.